Hey everybody out there, I'm Hoopsmiles and I'm coming at you during special times, and this is a special video, and I wanted to talk about social distancing. Yes, what is social distancing? As far as I know, basically right now we want to stay at least 6 feet away from each other. Well, how do we know if we are 6 feet away from each other? Well, the best way to know if you are at least 6 feet away from other people is if you hula hoop with a hoop that's over 6 feet in diameter. This hoop right here is over 6 feet in diameter, and I'm gonna give it a spin and practice my hula hoop social distancing, okay? Because this is really the best way to know, because really, I mean, you can see there's some people behind me. Hello right there. I'm just practicing social distancing with a hula hoop over 6 feet wide.
That is a brilliant idea. I support you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. So that's the way how you do it. See, if you want to practice social distancing, you use a hula hoop that's over 6 feet in diameter. That is the way to do it, because who's going to get in my way? You know, if someone gets in my way, they're going to get hit with a hoop. Okay, so that's how everyone out there should go and practice with their 6-foot hoops. So that's the advice I'm giving you right now from Hoopsmiles. 6 feet wide hoops. That's what I recommend to practice your social distancing if you have to go outside. Otherwise, you should stay home and hula hoop inside your own home and not even leave unless you have to leave. But 6 feet wide hula hoops, that's the way to go. Also, if you're interested in learning how to make a mask like this one right here, which is made from a sock, I put a video on how to make a sock mask on my YouTube channel. So I recommend going to check it out. And I wish everybody the best during these times. Wish y'all well. Really though, gotta go get your 6-foot hoop, you know, because the 6-foot hoop, that's the way to go to social distance. So until next time, enjoy.